Want to make your Elementor website look more premium and professional? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this beautiful image reveal loading section. The animation starts with large split text. Images appear one by one between the text. Then the final image smoothly expands to fill the entire screen, and a title appears on top, creating a stunning hero section for your website. This effect is perfect for portfolios, agencies, photographers, product showcases, and modern landing pages. The best part? You can customize everything directly inside Elementor without writing code. Let's build it. For this tutorial, we are using the Elementor Loader widget. You can find the light add-on download link in the video description below. Simply download the zip file and upload it from your WordPress dashboard by going to Plugins. Now, edit your page with Elementor and add a full width section for the best results. Search for the Image Reveal Loader widget and drag it onto your page. You will instantly see a live preview inside the Elementor editor. This makes it easy to customize and fine-tune the animation while you work. Open the content settings. Enter the text you want visitors to see during the loading animation. The widget automatically splits the text into two sections. The animated images will appear in the center between them. Choose short and impactful text for the best visual result. Open the Animation Images section. Upload all the images you want to display. The animation will play them in the exact order shown here. You can drag and drop items to change the sequence at any time. The final image is especially important because it becomes the full screen background at the end of the animation. For the smoothest results, use images with similar dimensions and high resolution. Then open the animation section to control how the loading effect behaves. Controls the delay between each letter appearing in the loading text. Controls how long the final image takes to expand and fill the entire screen. Increase this value for a smoother, cool transition. The Style tab allows you to customize the appearance of the loading section. You can change the background color, text colors, typography, spacing, alignment, and section height to match your website design. Once everything looks perfect, click Update or Publish. Open the page on the front end. Refresh the page to see the full animation from the beginning. Test the experience on desktop and mobile to make sure everything runs smoothly. And that's it. You now have a beautiful image reveal loading section inside Elementor. This effect can instantly make your website feel more modern, engaging, and professional. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next WordPress tutorial.